Have you ever dreamed of building wealth while sleeping? Real estate can turn this dream into reality, if you know the right strategies. In 2025, real estate investment opportunities are evolving, and the right move today could set you up for financial success tomorrow. The gateway to financial freedom. Real estate has always been a reliable investment avenue, but as the market evolves, so do the strategies to succeed. The year 2025 brings unique challenges, from fluctuating interest rates to shifts in property demand. However, it also presents groundbreaking opportunities for those ready to think ahead and act smartly. This article reveals the top 5 real estate investment strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom in 2025. The challenge: navigating a dynamic market. The real estate market in 2025 is shaped by rising housing costs, increasing urbanization, and technological disruptions. For investors, the challenge is clear. How do you identify profitable investments in a saturated market? What strategies ensure growth despite economic uncertainty? How do you leverage technology to stay ahead of the curve? The good news is that these challenges can be overcome with innovative approaches that adapt to the times. 1. Invest in short-term rental properties. The popularity of platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo continues to soar. Travelers are now seeking unique stays over traditional hotels. Why it works in 2025. Increased remote work flexibility means people are traveling more frequently. Pro tip: target vacation hotspots and urban hubs with high tourist footfall to maximize returns. 2. Explore REITs, real estate investment trusts. If direct property investment feels overwhelming, REITs are your solution. They offer a chance to invest in real estate without owning physical property. Why it works in 2025. With inflation concerns, REITs provide stable dividends and portfolio diversification. Pro tip: research REITs focusing on logistics warehouses and healthcare facilities, which are booming sectors. 3. Leverage technology in real estate, PropTech. From virtual property tours to blockchain-secured transactions, technology is reshaping real estate. Why it works in 2025. It enhances transparency, efficiency, and profitability in property management and transactions. Pro tip: invest in tech-driven platforms that focus on data analytics for better decision-making. 4. Invest in emerging markets. Look beyond major cities and explore secondary markets or underdeveloped areas with growth potential. Why it works in 2025. Rapid urbanization and infrastructure projects are driving growth in previously overlooked locations. Pro tip: focus on areas with upcoming transportation hubs, tech parks, or educational institutions. 5. Sustainable real estate development. The demand for eco-friendly homes is at an all-time high. Energy-efficient properties are not just a trend, they're the future. Why it works in 2025. Buyers and tenants are willing to pay a premium for sustainable living. Pro tip: invest in properties with features like solar panels, smart energy systems, and eco-friendly designs. Each of these strategies offers a pathway to success, but they require action and commitment. Real estate is not about luck. It's about making informed decisions, staying consistent, and adapting to change. By taking the first step now, you position yourself ahead of the competition. 2025 is brimming with opportunities for savvy real estate investors. Whether you're focusing on short-term rentals, REITs, emerging markets, or sustainable developments, the key is to start. Real estate doesn't just build wealth, it builds legacies. Are you ready to take the plunge into real estate investing in 2025? Start by choosing one of these strategies and committing to learning and action. For more insights on wealth-building strategies, subscribe to our channel, like this article, and share it with fellow investors. Your financial freedom begins today. Make it count.